In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop limit, also known as a stop loss order, on Coinbase. This is an essential tool for managing risks and protecting your investments from unnecessary loss in the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's dive right into the steps, providing you with a clear and easy to follow guide. To begin, open your Coinbase account and navigate to the advanced trading section. This step is crucial because the basic interface of Coinbase does not support advanced order types such as stop limit. Once you are in the advanced trading section, you'll want to look for the trade option. Go ahead and tap on it to access the trading screen. This is where all the fundamental trading operations begin. Next, it's time to select the trading pair you're interested in. For example, let's say you're dealing with Bitcoin and US dollar, so you choose BTC USD. Selecting a trading pair correctly is important as it dictates which assets you are trading between, and importantly, which currency will be used in the stop limit order. Now look for the order type section and click on stop limit. This is where the magic happens. A stop limit order is a two-step order that allows you to set a trigger price and a limit price. The trigger price is known as the stop price, which when reached turns your stop limit order to a limit order. Once you're in the stop limit section, input the stop price. This is the price that triggers your stop limit order, prompting it to convert into a sell order for assets you hold or a buy order if you're looking to acquire more. It's crucial that you set this price at a level that mitigates potential losses but is realistic in respect to current market trends. Following this, enter the limit price. This is your desired price for selling or buying once the stop price is triggered. It's important that you set this close to your stop price, though slightly lower for a sell order, or slightly higher for a buy order to ensure the order gets fulfilled. The next step involves entering the exact amount of cryptocurrency you would like the order to affect. Accuracy is key here, as this determines how much of your holdings will be sold or purchased once the order executes. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview your order. This is a good chance to double check that all your details are aligned with your trading strategy and risk management plans. Once you're satisfied, place the order. Now your stop limit order is set and will stay active until it's executed or cancelled by you. Finally, once the market hits your predetermined stop price, your order will execute according to the parameters you've set. You can rest a bit easier knowing that you've taken a proactive step toward managing potential losses. That's it for setting a stop limit order on Coinbase. Remember, this is a powerful tool in the trader's toolkit, so use it wisely. Thank you for joining us today and happy trading.